why I believe applying for a mortgage is your first step into your home buying journey. Hello guys, this is James, your neighborhood realtor here. I wanted to do a video responding to one of the previous videos that I've got that has received a lot of attention. Why I believe applying for a mortgage is your first step into your home buying journey. So I explained in that video about the reason why in which you want to go ahead and apply for a mortgage right away. You want to know exactly what credit score you have. You want to know if you actually could go ahead and get approved. And then also you want to know actually how much home you can afford. Because a lot of times what people do is when you're looking at sites like Realtor or Zillow, you're looking at what you hope that you can go ahead and get, but can you actually be approved for that? And if you go and you apply for a mortgage right away, you'll know whether or not you can get that home or the price range, so you can start looking there. And if you're not happy about it, then you can go ahead and make those necessary steps so that you could be able to afford the home that you want. So let's say, for example, that you talk to me, the realtor, and I tell you to go ahead and apply so that we can go ahead and see exactly what we're dealing with here. You go ahead and apply and you have, let's say 620. All right, so saying that yes, you can go ahead and get approved. Your interest rate, especially how high the interest rates are right now, is going to be a lot higher. So now we know where to go ahead and start with you. Right? So let's say that, hey, you're not comfortable paying with that interest rate, and I guess the monthly payments may not be looking so good. So let's go ahead and do what we can to improve your credit so that you can get a better interest rate and afford more home. What happens if we know that you can't go ahead and afford whatever home that you may be looking on at your Zillow or anything? Then we can go ahead and put down what we need to go ahead and do so that you can go ahead and afford a higher price. Do we need to figure out in ways in which you can generate more income? Do we need to put maybe more people on the loan? There's other options that we can go ahead and do. If you go ahead and apply, then we will know. Another thing that it does is that it helps to make decisions a lot faster, because let's say, for example, that you are approved, that you got exactly what you were looking for right when you first did it. And now, because there's certain areas, even though, the market is where it is, there's certain markets, there's certain localities here in Orlando and other places where it's very competitive at. If you're trying to buy a home that's in a very competitive location, then it's important for you to go ahead and move fast. So a way in which you could go ahead and move fast is by already having a pre-approval there. So, well, there we have it, guys. Thank you.